National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Long County in northeastern Ohio, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm cluster was centered near Preston.
Got it. KDO94 related.
Moving at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
I was checking this is a double header or not.
Include Montana, Worcester, Wadsworth, Orville, Britain, Doylestown, Lodi, Creston, West Salem, Chippewa Lake, Seville, Smithville, Westfield Center, Marshallville, Spencer, Gloria Glens Park, Burbank, Congress, Chippewa on the Lake, and Briarwood Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, and Wayne.
Oh?
The forecast.